What's good, Savage fam? We back with a reaction video, man. Hey, man, ain't no introduction needed, man. It's Troll 6ix9ine Nicki Minaj. Let's get into it, bro. Y'all know we don't waste no time talking in the intro and shit. Let's get it, man.
Sad pony.
Watch,
God damn.
You need that? I got
That's, oh, shit, bro. I know this open to be fire just off the fucking Nicki, the way she fucking saying keep throwing that ass. Hey, man, one thing about this nigga, fool. Like I say, if you don't like the nigga, you don't like the nigga. You whatever you want to feel about him. But the nigga do make some dope songs, bro. Real shit, man. Gotta get niggas credit.
I know you don't like me, you wanna fight me. You don't want no problems at your party, don't invite me. I don't worry about you niggas, please stop talking about me. Always talking about me cause you looking for the clout teeth.
Whether you don't like I said, whether you don't like the nigga or not, bro, you gotta give niggas credit. He don't give two fucks if you talking about him, bro. The nigga love that attention. You don't give my nigga nothing, well, not my nigga, but you don't give a nigga nothing but free publicity, bro. Y'all saw that Instagram that they was just going, bro. Nicki and this nigga doing fucking numbers, fool. Nicki was gonna be the nigga. I don't know why y'all was so shocked that Nicki was working with the nigga. They always done did shit together, bro. Like, come on, fool.
It's Nina, the Nina, riding in a two-seater with two Ninas. Baby, got that Aquafina, it's cocaine. Smoking on that OG reefer, no TMZ. 40 autos on the bitch truck, make her friends fuck. Told her she could get Chanel if she let my friends fuck. Star shining in the Rolls Royce, it got red guts. Wait, hold up. Nah, I still don't give a fuck.
This nigga trolling, bro. The name of this nigga trolling his ass off, fool. Got the fucking ankle monitor. You know they at the crib, ankle monitor on, not giving a fuck. This nigga, at the end of the day, bro, the nigga's a marketing genius, bro. Real shit. This nigga fucking numbers. This nigga network just fucking quadrupled, bro. Real shit.
G5, we hot. You the type of nigga that I never wanna be like. You the type of bitch that will never get a reply. I hate her, buy hater. Like I told him right, keep on doing that,
I know Nicki finna spit some shit, bro. If you ain't a Nicki fan, or if this your first time, I'm pretty sure everybody fucking heard Nicki Minaj. But just really say that, listen to it, bro. I've been on Nicki, so y'all know. If you new to the channel, bro, you don't know. But for the motherfuckers that been around, y'all know I've been on Nicki. So I know she finna come with some heat, bro.
Dollar bill, come get her. Even your man know Nicki's do it better. I know you don't like me, you wanna fight me. Always on my page, never double tap like me. Baddies to my left and my right. Never chase a corny nigga, put that on my life.
Bro,
just put it in this space.
We just admire this fucking picture, bro. God damn, fool. Fuck.
All this cake, he wanted the taste. He sipping on that ace, itty bitty waist, pretty face. Yeah, eat it, Cookie Monster. He a slave to this pussy, call me monster. Real wet, I said slurp it like it's pasta. They get nervous when it's Nicki on the roster.
My nigga say, slaves. What the fuck she's, hold on, bro.
He a slave to this pussy, call me monster. Real wet, I said slurp it like it's pasta. They get nervous when it's Nicki on the roster. Somebody usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. I write my own lyrics, a lot of these bitches gimmicks. They study Nicki style, now all of them want mimic.
Whoa, bro. Hold on. We know for sure Nicki write her shit, bro. Now, I ain't gonna drop no names, that ain't my business, bro. But if you know, you know, bro.
This nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. I write my own lyrics, a lot of these bitches gimmicks. They study Nicki style, now all of them want mimic. Talking about snitches when it's snitches in your camp. Never stand alone, you always itching for a stamp.
Thanks. A lot of niggas talking about snitches, bro. When the snitches is in your fucking circle, bro. Real shit. And god damn, that's I told y'all she was gonna come with some shit, bro. Real talk, that her verse go better. You know what I'm saying? Well, shit, 6ix9ine not a fucking lyrical rapper, so I knew Nicki was gonna do her thing. But bro, why you pointing the fucking finger at everybody else, bro? Check the niggas in your circle, fool. Real shit, bro.
Me, I'm still money, wrists light up like a lamp. They gon' have to send their best fighter for the champ. Racks, I got them. Mary, I'm popping. They keep hating, but still watching. Check the boards, I'm sneak, bitches start plotting.
My nigga show you how to get a, hold on, bro. I'm sorry, man. Fuck all the pies, and regardless, even though she got some dope ass lyrics, and we go hear the bars regardless, but y'all know, bro, this nigga 6ix9ine, shit the fuck around to be blocked, so that's why all the fucking pausing, bro. For one is to acknowledge the fucking lyrics, and two, just so y'all can see the fucking video, bro, so this hoe don't be blocked.
On a plain Jane,
I can only imagine if I was 6ix9ine, bro, not only been on the song and the video with Nicki, but just, bro, come on, bro. What nigga wouldn't be fucking glad to do a song with Nicki, bro? And on top of she fucking dressed like this, nigga, what? Man, say.
trying to bang me, then they crash. Still 100 like the number on my dash.
Hey, let's go.
That real ass ain't keep your nigga home.
What the fuck she just say?
That real ass ain't keep your nigga home.
It's not, bro. A nigga gonna do what the fuck he wanna do anyways. Real ass, fake ass, real titties, fake titties. Nigga don't give a fuck, bro, at the end of the day. But hey, man, shout out to Nicki. Shout out to this nigga 6ix9ine, bro. I really don't give a fuck what this nigga do with his fucking life, honestly, bro. Nigga don't give 2 fucks about me. I can care less about him. That's this man's life, bro. At the end of the day, I'm not finna worry about another man. I'm still gonna listen to the nigga music. It is what it is, man. I'm gonna fucking react. I'm not gonna react to the nigga song just cause y'all feel that he fucking told. But y'all let me know what else y'all want to see, man. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss nothing that I drop. Savage fam, I'm gone.